This is EDC16C34. The CPU inside is MPC562. It uses the external 2 megabyte flash and also has the 2 kilobyte of EEPROM. Now this is the BDM pads, and I have 3D printed pogo jig to connect this pin here. I also use the power and ground on this connector instead of using this here. I see some programmer use the 12 volt and ignition from this pads. For me, I just use the BDM pads. The power and ground, I go here. Give me some time and let me do the setup here. This is the EDC16C34, and I'm using the 3D printed jig with this board. Also have the pogo pins connect to it. I screw down, and 12 volt ground and the ignition go this port instead of going to the BDM port. So I'm going to power on and give the 12 volt. Now this script has been rewritten using add this button connect, so we can use this one to check if we have the proper flash detected. And I can, for cloning, I'm going to use read all and write all. But if you want to do individual like EEPROM and flash read and write, you can click that button. So let's say I want to read all, and you can see the BDM is very, very fast. It will only take 5 seconds, 5 seconds, and we can save this file, the flash as well as the EEPROM. We can check the data by click this here. Now assume I'm going to write all, and I just need to click this button, and it asks me to load the flash. So I have backup a few days ago. So flash, which is 2 megabyte 2 days ago, and then ask me to load the EEPROM. So I'm going to load the EEPROM of this thing. Ask me to confirm. I'm going to confirm it. I'm going to rewrite the flash as well as the EEPROM. Now here is the LED is blinking, which tells me if it's erasing or not. So this is 2 megabyte of flash, and read the entire flash takes only 5 seconds, 5.5 seconds, and the erase will take a while, take 30 seconds to erase. The programming is about 100 kilobytes per second, so this will take you maybe 20 seconds or less. Okay, 12 seconds to do the programming. So we can see if the flash is programmed properly, it's yes. And we also program the EEPROM. So with the Unican T and this setup, to program the EDC16C34 is very, very fast, and also can program the EEPROM.